Why are there not more people talking about Ford escape brake issues? Let's dive in. First, let's look at brake pads. Over time, these wear down and lose their ability to grip. If your brakes are making a squealing noise or feel less responsive, your brake pads might be the culprit. Next, check the brake fluid. Low or dirty brake fluid can severely impact your braking. Make sure to keep it topped off and clean. Then, there's the brake lines. If they're damaged or leaking, your brakes won't work properly. Always inspect them for any signs of wear or leaks. Don't forget about the master cylinder. This part is crucial for creating the pressure needed to make your brakes work. If it's faulty, you'll notice a soft or spongy brake pedal. Lastly, consider the ABS system. The anti-lock braking system helps prevent skidding, but if it's malfunctioning, you might experience longer stopping distances or a pulsing brake pedal. Remember, regular maintenance is key. Keeping an eye on these components can save you from bigger problems down the road. Got more questions about your Ford Escape? Drop them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more car tips. Drive safe.